Exactly. Absolutely. So it's good that you actually understand it because there's a lot of e-com brands I don't thoroughly understand. You gotta market. You can put a lot of money into the product.
You can put a lot of money into the product. You can put all the money into the product you want to, it ain't gonna work.
Exactly. There you go.
It ain't gonna work. You gotta learn. You gotta do that marketing. A lot of people talk about organic marketing, but you gotta still invest into marketing because it ain't gonna work.
Yep, for sure. So right now, where you at when it comes to like the clothing brand?
Right now I'm trying to obtain some more funding so I can get my marketing going a little more. Okay. But I'm still posting and sharing my brand with people, getting this on the people podcasts and stuff like that.
For sure.
I got a couple of my sisters if you want to see them.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's bring them up.
Yeah, it's one of my jackets. I actually got it on right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's dope.
The TL. We got True Finesse. We got the rhinestones.
All right.
450.
True Finesse.
450 GSM heavy cotton.
Yeah. I see it.
We got the,
Yeah, this is nice.
Everything is stamped and approved. Everything is stamped and approved, man.
Yeah. And then you got the 01
high quality manufacturing.
Tell me about the 01 on the back.
01? That's my number in football.
Football.
That's my football number. Yeah, I'm
there
number one.
Go. Okay. Yeah. I love it.
And everybody know if you wear number one, you're the best player, baby. Come on.
Yeah, this is nice, man. And then you got the pants over there too.
Then here go the pants. Okay. Man. Here go the pants.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those shorts. All right, got it.
It's True Finesse, man. And then you see this? This ain't cheap. This ain't cheap. That's what I was saying.
Right.
I spent $50K.
Exactly.
Got the zippers on the pockets.
He's nice, man. He's a nice man.
I'm telling you.
I love it.
Yeah.
Like you said, you gotta put the marketing behind it.
And I got 3 colorways. I just didn't bring all 3 colorways.
Another one in baby blue.
Another one in the baby blue.
Oh man, this is nice.
Rhinestones.
I love
the TL zipper emblem, like a pendant almost for a chain.
Nice, man.
I also had a chain I was gonna get with the same pendant in my jacket.
Look at this. I love it.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
It's the shorts right here.
You be in some big
companies
in terms of retail. Yeah, this is big. I love it.
We got zippers in the pockets too.
And we'll talk.
You ain't losing that.
Yeah, we'll talk at the end, Drew. You know how they can purchase as well. But that was nice, man.
Okay. I can give you my truefinesseinc.com.
There you go.
Link to my website.
Right.
I got a website. Y'all can go shop right there.
For sure. All right. Great stuff, man. All right. I love it, man. No, I'm serious.
Appreciate it,
man. Definitely on your way, man. Yeah, you just gotta get the marketing. I'll talk to you as well off camera. You know what I mean?
For sure.
Some of the things we've done in terms of marketing over the years, man.
I didn't work here. That's what I'm saying. That's why I came to Atlanta. It was Mississippi. It was hard to network for me because it was like everybody was tense and ready to do somebody. So it was really like hard to talk to people because everybody, on the same page out there. So then people don't even believe in mentorship like that and other people's advice.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right. So what was the next venture? I mean, because I know as well credit repair.
Mm-hmm.
You want to talk a little bit about that?
Oh yeah, credit repair, man.
And how did you come about even getting into credit repair?
I wish I would have been knew about credit repair. I started looking into credit repair, but I wasn't too sure for real. I started watching this guy named Smitty the GOAT.
Smitty.
Yeah, I started watching Smitty. I started watching Smitty like 2 years ago. And then when I got down here, I got into like a 3-day mentorship, a 3-day master class. And they was like,
you man, I'm gonna stop this real quick.
Oh yeah, man.
Cause you going somewhere with this, man. Cause me and my brother Bree, man, who's Rise 1% podcast co-host, media partner here as well, man. We've talked about this.
Yeah.
Most people do not understand the power of investing into mentorship and coaches.
Exactly, it is important.
You're talking about it on this episode. You're young.
Yes.
Tell them, if you don't mind, your age, man. We got people in their upper 20s and 30s still don't get this.
I turned 22 this year. I'm 21, man.
21. We got people in their upper 20s, 30s still don't understand this concept. 40s don't even understand this concept.
Got a paid-off house and stay on the 16th floor in the middle of Atlanta.
Big, man. So, all right, let's get back to the story, though, in terms of getting into credit repair.
I got into credit repair. I was watching Smith and stuff. I told you that. Then when I had got into the 3-day mentorship, they told me, just start it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry about what you don't know how to do, what you need to learn how to do. Just start your business.
Mm-hmm.
Start your business and you'll figure it out. Because if you just start something, you ain't got nowhere to go but up.
Right.
So starting from the ground, you ain't got nowhere to go but up.
Exactly.
Can't go no farther down.
I agree.
Because you're gonna lose if you just get it started.
Yep.
Do what needs to be done. You know what needs to be done because you know you can get some mentorship.
Yeah.
If you don't know, get some mentorship.
Absolutely.
Yep. And then I started working on my family's credit and doing all that. I got like two of my family members down to help like to even work on their credit, because I even asked some people if they want me to do their credit for free and they told me no.
All right, dude. So let's talk about why is even having great credit even important?
Credit is something everybody need. If you want financial freedom, you need credit. That's the only way you're gonna get it. Netflix, let's say Netflix spent billions of other people's money to make billions.
Yeah.
They didn't use none of their money.
Right.
They leveraged all their money from the bank.
It's called OPM, other people's money.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hello, this is G Bass, Rise of the 1%, Rise Media. We on this Saturday evening about to get ready to knock out some podcast episodes with some individuals here in the city of Atlanta making some big moves. You can see here, look, this is how it goes down. Here when our guests come and sit down with myself, G Bass, other Rise of 1% of Rise Media, to have that conversation, to share the story, share the journey, share what you got going on. So listen, everybody got a story, everybody got a journey, and then you got some things going on, then you definitely can get with us and see if it'll be a fit to be on the Rise of 1% podcast and actually have that discussion with myself. It's going to be a link to a form you can fill out. You said www.theriseof1%.com/pod form. Again, www.theriseof1%.com/pod form. It's going to be in this video. You can fill that out, and we can see if it'll be a fit for you to come on and have that conversation with myself. If you don't fill out the form, then obviously it's not for you, and that's fine. We're looking for those that's serious. Those that's serious about rising to the top 1% are already in the 1%. That's what we're looking to sit down with myself right here. As you can see, Rise Media, Rise of the 1%. This is how we get down. We have a great time and have a lot of fun doing it. So once again, if you're serious, make sure you fill out the form. We'll look over the form, see if it's a fit. If it's a fit, we'll reach out. If not, we won't reach out. We'll just continue to move forward. But with that said, this is G Bass. See you soon. Have a great one on purpose.